So we're walking past the Nissan Leaf dealership here in the Bilt. You think they only have 3 Leafs? You think wrong. Hi. I remember about 2 weeks ago I made a video that said we should do more videos. Then I went away for 2 weeks. I guarantee you this was not planned. I actually got sick. I'm the only one doing the videos and like general PR and that kind of stuff. So yeah, when I'm out of the running, there are just no videos. I've been sick for more than a week, like more than 1.5 weeks. Pretty much directly after I published the video, I got sick. And as you may be able to hear, I'm still a bit worse for wear. So actually, a lot of things are happening that I kind of want to talk to you about. So in a completely random order, let's show you everything and show you everyone. So number 1 is what you see here, the battery box, the small battery box for the 2011-2012 Leafs. As you may be able to remember, in my car, these modules, these top modules are on their sides. There are 8 in a row and then 8 on top of that. But we managed to squeeze out a little bit more height, I guess, like less height. We made it lower by putting 8 modules in a row on the bottom, 2 in front, and 6 on top at a 90-degree angle. So this makes it lower and also makes cabling a little bit easier. So it's like a 3 centimeter difference or something, but it's every amount of extra boot space is welcome, obviously, because this is the most intrusive battery box that we're making. Maybe some people will be able to choose the large instead of the small battery box with this change in the design. Something that we just finished 10 minutes ago is this rack with glass fiber. It's actually kind of annoying to have just rolls of fiberglass roving and that kind of stuff laying around and having to unpack them and doing stuff with it. We already have the cutting table here, and this setup just makes it much easier to just roll off a bit of fiberglass, cut it, and then roll it on again. Something else we did today is we molded the lid for the 2011 battery box, and this is a very tall lid, and this will be able to accommodate, depending on how tall we cut it off, can accommodate both the smaller and the larger battery box. Oh, I am forgetting the biggest improvement since last time you've seen any videos. This, if it's readable, the data logger, it's finished essentially. I mean, can always be nicer. Here, I'll install it. Well, my tablet is kind of busy with other stuff, so screen recording isn't that good. Therefore, I am showing you this in the crudest way possible by videotaping the screen. Anyway, so the data logger is a little board that has a Wi-Fi chip and directly interfaces the EV CAN bus, and so it sends basically all the data going over the EV CAN bus to Wi-Fi, where you can ask for that data at the /data. It's got an HTTP server and will serve the data in base64 format. Unfortunately, of course, right when I want to show this, it is disconnected, but I do have a couple of captured frames. So you can see here, here are the various CAN messages, both in hexadecimal and binary notation. And here are a couple of things that are decoded from the data logger. So for instance, we can see I have 373 GIDs, which is equivalent to 28.9 kilowatt hours, 91 kilowatt hours, at a state of charge of 84.1, and it's currently slow charging. But there's much more, like you can see the motor speed and amps, and you can even see the wheel speed sensors and in which gear you are and all that kind of stuff. It is quite astonishing. Basically, everything the car is doing you can see on the logger. The logger will automatically connect to any Wi-Fi network that you have configured. So for instance, here you can see I have configured, if you can read this, the RevSpace Wi-Fi network and my own phone when it's tethering. They are not currently in range, but their connection has been configured. They have a Wi-Fi password set, and then this is the current Wi-Fi it's connected to, although I think, yeah, it's still offline. My car is pretty far away from the house, so it tends to lose connection, fortunately, just when I want to shoot stuff. But yeah, this is the data logger. Suggestions are welcome for like a nice interface. And also, like, I think quite a few people are interested in helping along with stuff. And maybe like it's a cool idea that whenever I'm driving, I am broadcasting my car's data to the internet, to like Maxent.com, and anybody can just grab the data and write their own interface to do stuff with that. Maybe some like cool things can come of that. Oh, it exists again. Oh, the data is slightly corrupted. Let me see if I can fix that. And talking about people who are helping us, we finally have some people helping us, or at least one person. This is André. He will be making battery boxes for us. So he will be doing the raw manufacturing of the battery boxes. And then we will be finishing and detailing them. It is a relative of one of our customers. Or, well, actually, it is like one of our customers. So, hi, André. Thank you very much. And we've had another person inquire with us for an internship. We'll be interviewing him on Thursday. A couple of people have also asked us if it's okay if they like come by and help us whenever they have free time. And I mean, we're really flattered. We really like the interaction. And we know that like a couple of people have tried to visit us at EV Europe and have missed us because we weren't there. We were here in the build. So yeah, we've been thinking of maybe sharing our work schedule for every week, like which days we are and which locations, so people can visit us and help us or just talk. But like most of the tasks that we do aren't that readily transferable. It takes like a couple of hours to show you what to do. We're a little bit hesitant to actually ask people to help us. Like by all means, if you want, drop us a line and you can just come by and visit us. If you really want to, and you want to dedicate a couple of days to it, spread over a couple of weeks maybe, then sure, get in contact. We're happy to have some of our customers help us. I mean, that's awesome, right? But otherwise, I don't think we'll make this like a regular thing, like an institutionalized thing. That's just going to probably cause us more work than help, honestly. And I think the last point of order, because I'm losing my voice again, is that we are very much looking for 40 kilowatt hour Leaf batteries. For a completely secret and unknowable project, obviously, because it's not obvious what we're going to do with that. We are looking for a 40 kilowatt hour battery. I have like asked my suppliers and various other people I know in the business to keep on lookout and like sell me the first 40 kilowatt hour battery they see. But unfortunately, we've been looking for it 2 weeks and nobody's come up with anything yet. So any 40 kilowatt hour battery you have, we're willing to buy. Well, this is unfortunately where the video has to end, because I'm completely losing my voice. I was hoping to do like a full, like show the entire CAN logger and all the functionality, but I think I'm gonna do that in a separate video, maybe later this week. I hope you liked the video. I am still alive. We're still doing stuff. See ya.